Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I, Krishna Tyagi, on the behalf of class 11 Science is here to conduct today's morning assembly. So, first of all I would like to invite Bhaiya Bhanu for the thought of the day.
So, good morning to all present here. Today I, Bhanu Singh Sahi, standard of class 11th A, here to present my thought. And the thought of the day is, if something comes between you and your success, remove it, never deny it. I repeat my thought once again. If something comes between you and your success, remove it, never deny it. Thank you and have a thoughtful day.
Thank you, Bhaiya Bhanu. So, now for the term of the day, I would like to invite Bhaiya Divyansh.
Today's term is hurdle, spelled out as Hurtle, meaning strike against, meaning in Hindi, patak dena. Sentence formation, wrestlers hurdle their opponents. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhaiya Divyansh. So now, for some interesting and nail-biting facts, I would like to invite Bhaiya R. Krishna upon the podium.
So the facts of the day are: crocodile can gallop like a horse. Second, the internet is controlled by 14 people with 7 keys. Nintendo is 130-year-old. Fourth, our cricket chips can tell you the temperature. Fifth, breathing occurs with one nose at a time. Sixth, Earth rotation is changing speed. It's actually slowing. Thank you and have a factful day ahead.
Now, to update you with the daily bulletin, I would like to invite Bhaiya Navdeep.
Thank you, Hare Krishna. So the news are as follows. First, international news. India amongst over 40 killed in Kuwait building fire. Second, national news. Amit Shah chair high-level meet to assess security situation in JMK. Third, sports news. Bhajan Kaur wins gold to earn Paris quota. Thank you, Eva. Useful day ahead.
Thank you, Bhaiya Navdeep. So now, I, Krishna Tyagi, as your quizmaster, wants to start the quiz with the junior section. Who wrote the book Gulam Giri? Anyone? Yes, the right answer is Jyotiba Phule. My next question goes to the mid section. Who wrote the book Can't Hurt Me? Some hint, it's a biography.
David Goggins.
Right answer. What's your name, Bhaiya? Dhruv. Bhaiya Dhruv has given the right answer. Please clap for him. My next question goes to the senior section. Who is the author of the book Atomic Habits? Nobody knows the answer. I will repeat my question. Who is the author of the book Atomic Habits? The right answer is James Clear. My last question goes to the whole school. Who wrote the book The Palace of Illusions? I repeat my question. Who wrote the book The Palace of Illusions? Devta Chakrabarti. Thank you and have a good day ahead.